how to allow only friends can send direct message on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So after this, you can see three lines on the top right corner. Then click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, then here is the options of privacy. So click on it, and then when you will scroll down, here you can see direct message. So click on it. So after this, you can see allow direct message. So click on it, and after this you can see friends option. So just tap on it, and when you will tap on it, now only friends can send message you on TikTok. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.